Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show in this tutorial how to use the basic extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, blend. Okay, so before we start, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to receive any new tutorial, and don't forget to like and share. So let's start. First of all, I select these components and model in place. Okay, so there is a lot of commands here. For example, this window, wall, stairs, anything here. If you click any one, so the same. For example, I click the wall. Okay, wall one. So this extrusion, this table is appear the same. Okay, for example, I close this one, and again architecture, this components, model in place, I click the window. Okay, before I select the wall, now I click the window. Okay, window one, so that this is the same appear here. Okay, so this is no problem what you select, but the basic to understand this form. Okay, so first of all, this extrusion I click, so appear here this table. Okay, this is the same mirror, copy, rescale, anything. So for example, I create this rectangular like this. Now this is 3D. So okay, and now this also I change here the height, and also this manual. See, this is extrusion. Again, create this extrusion, and for example, I create this circle, finish. Okay, so this is extrusion command. Okay, the other one I click here this blend. Okay, so blend. Okay, I click this one. Okay, I click this one, and after that edit top. Okay, so I select here the top. Okay, and then click finish. So also change from here, and this is manual, you can change. Okay, this is the blend. The other thing is create this revolve. Okay, so what I do, for example, this one I make here a dome. So first of all, I create this extrusion and click this one and click this one. Okay, so this is, now I want to create here to use this revolve. Okay, so what I do, first of all, I click reference line. Okay, again this set a plane, pick a plane. Okay, I click this one and make the reference line. Okay, so create this revolve and make the half circle. So set, pick a plane, this one, so you click the tab. Okay, and this the circle like this. Okay, and this is the axis line. Okay, and again here. Okay, and I select this, one here to here. Okay, and I select this one, no problem, Control Z. Okay, so now is finish. See, let's create like dome. This is the revolve command. Okay, and again the extrusion, this is the sweep. Okay, so the sweep you can use for wall, windows, and this projection line and parapet wall design, anything. So click on this sweep. Okay, sketch the path, and I click this setup plan, pick a plan. Okay, I click this one. Now I draw the path here. Okay, then click finish edit. Okay, and again the edit profile. Now draw here profile. For example, I this for like this. Again finish, again finish. See, so this is create the sweep. Any you can create this any design. This is just to concept. And the other thing, the other one, this create this sweep blend. Okay, sweep blend, sketch path. For example, I create this arc and like this. Okay, and finish here too. Selection profile, select profile 1, select profile 2. I click select profile 1, edit profile. So now this is my profile. So I click this rectangular like this. Okay, and finish, select profile 2 and edit profile. I select this circle here. Okay, and finish, again finish. See, so here this is round and here the rectangular. So this is the basic sweep. This is the basic components. Okay, and how to use in the Revit. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.